How to sign in to GoFundMe account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in or sign in to your GoFundMe account. GoFundMe is a crowdfunding platform that allows individuals and organizations to raise money for various causes. Now to get started, first of all you need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar here type in gofundme.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of GoFundMe. Here, once you reach to this page, here at the top, you will find sign in link. Click on the sign in option right here. And now you will be redirected to a new page. Here you will be presented with a login interface. Now here input your email address and password associated with your GoFundMe account. In this first box, enter your email address and in the second box, enter your password. After entering the password, you can also click on this I button at the right side to reveal the password and check if you have entered it correctly or not. If in case you have forgotten your password and couldn't log into your account, you may also click on this forgot your password link just below the password box, and from there you can recover your password by following the prompts given to you. Also, if you don't have an account on it, you may click on the sign up button at the top, and from there you can follow the instructions and create an account on it. So now after entering all your details, click on this sign in button at the right bottom below, and then you'll be able to access your GoFundMe account. And after you are logged into your account, you can create new campaign, manage the existing campaigns, or withdraw funds. So by following these steps, you should be able to sign into your GoFundMe account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.